All right, so our current policy doesn't allow everyone the right to vote, to voice their opinions on political leaders and propositions, things that will affect them and their families, so they should have the right to vote on it. They should be given the right to help make those decisions. From Eric Holder, Attorney General at the Times editorial board, by perpetuating the stigma and isolation on formerly incarcerated individuals, those laws increase the likelihood they will commit future crimes. So helping them reintegrate would reduce the likelihood of them committing crimes again. They've completed their time and paid their debts. They should get their rights back as rehabilitated members of society. By withholding the right to vote, they are not able to be influential members of society, which is our duty as citizens of the U.S. What we keep going back and forth on is we cannot predict if felons will vote, but they should still be given the option. We can't predict if everyday citizens will vote, but we are still given the option to, and they should be educated on whether or not they can. From Jeff Manza, professor of psychology at Northwestern University, the fact that prisoners lose many freedoms does not imply they should lose all civil rights. Denying the right to vote is likely to undermine respect for rule of law, and allowing them to vote may strengthen social ties and commitment, promoting legally responsible participation. So once again, it just helps them reintegrate into society and be functional members of it. They are also not counted equally in elections, so that lowers the voter turnout even more, so wouldn't we want more people to vote? So adding them would help that out. And when they're able to vote, more people will be heard. From Human Rights Watch, they deny convicted offenders the ability to vote regardless of the nature of their crimes or severity of their sentences. They create political outcasts from tax-paying, law-abiding citizens who are ex-offenders, and they distort the country's electoral process. So it's just cutting off everybody that's able to vote and cutting that number in pieces. The policy that we want to implement is the universal rules and regulations of felon voting rights across every state. The confusing policies everywhere don't help these people regain their rights if they are able to, and states that permanently ban felons from ever gaining their rights back need their policies changed. So in conclusion, convicted felons who have served their sentences should be given back their voting rights immediately after serving their time, because they are being denied their rights as citizens, and our elections are not representative of the whole country. And because of our current policy, because it's difficult and confusing, a universal voting reinstation process should be created. Thank you.